drafty, noisy. We have a train track. I don't know, is that 100 yards maybe? 100 yards from here. And when that goes by, it sounds like a jet. You know, at night when you're trying to sleep, it can be really crazy because it's hard for you to understand what that really sounds like. Downstairs in the room that the suite we built downstairs, I couldn't even sit down there and listen to the television. It was just too loud. It's like you don't have them closed with the windows we had. But these, it's like, it's got to be 50% less. The product itself, I mean, that's the start of everything, you know. And then it's what kind of support and service or whatever you're going to get from the company. And working with you on just putting the whole package together, it was so easy, and it was friendly, it was professional, it was just no high pressure, just all the information. Anything I asked, you had the answer for. The demo you showed me in the office was incredible. It was just, everybody should just go see that just for the fun of seeing it, to see how these things really work. It's amazing. And it just, the crew that came out and did this, it was outstanding. I mean, it was just, these guys were all very friendly, very professional, down to earth. You know, it wasn't a stuck-up crew or anything, and they were all friendly. They were all very careful of the house. They put pads down, they moved things. It was just like they were coming into a museum to make it better. And they were fast. I couldn't imagine how you could do all of these windows in that short amount of time and come out beautiful and look like nobody was here. It was just, I can't imagine another company that provides that level of service. I mean, I've had good service from other companies, but this was just all around, from everybody I met at the office, to you, to the owner. The owner comes out and does the final measurement. How many companies do that? I don't know any. The two biggest things I think that really work for this company is the product and the people. It's not, usually you get a really good product and you get an iffy group of folks doing it. You know, from the front door to the crew that puts it in and whatever. This is not like that. Both of those are equal, and it is outstanding. I mean, it just blew me away. That, you know, it's like, how lucky can you be to find a company like this? It's real. It's a real company. It's not, you know, it's trust. You can trust them. And I think that's what I felt, is that there's a lot of trust in there. Because, you know, again, spending some money, and it's worth it.